Hello students, welcome to Sourav sir's classes. The question is, consider a square of side A, fit the largest possible circle inside it and the largest possible square inside the circle. Then what is the side length of the innermost square? Now, let this be my square and I have a circle which is the largest possible. This would be touching the edges. My diagram is not that smooth. And then you have a square inside it. I'll do the square with a different color. This is a square. This is the diameter of the circle. And this angle is 90 degrees. Now we observe that the diameter of the circle is the same as the bigger side of the triangle, which is a right angle triangle, and these two sides are the same. So the angles are, this would be 90, this is 45 degrees, and this is also 45 degrees. So the sides are in the ratio, therefore the sides are in the ratio. B is to B root 2. Therefore A which is the side of square is equal to B root 2. Since this is also the diameter of the circle, which is equal to the square of side A, and this is the diameter, so these both would be equal. Thus we get A is equal to B root 2, or B is equal to A by root 2. So the length of the innermost square is B is equal to A by root 2. Thus option 4 gives us the correct answer. The next question is, A, B and C are three distinct digits. If they are added as below, find out the value of A, B and C. Option 1, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 5. Option 2, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 1. Option 3, A equals 5, B equal to 1, C is equal to 3. And option 4, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 8 and C is equal to 5. Now we need to refer to the addition over here. Now, if we simply check for all the options, say I'm checking for option 1, then I get 345 plus 345 plus 345. So this gives me 15, 1, 12, 13, 1, 9, then 1035. So this is incorrect because according to this, it should be all CCC. So for this option, option 1, my sum should be equal to 555. So this is incorrect. Now for option 2, I have 231 plus 231 plus 231, and this should be equal to 111, which is not possible since this is equal to 693. Again option 2 is incorrect. Now option 3, we have 513 plus 513 plus 513. So this gives us 9, 3 and 15, which is not equal to 333. Therefore 3 is again incorrect. Now for option 4, 185 plus 185 plus 185 gives us 15, 1, then we get 25, 2, 5, which is equal to 555, that is CCC. Therefore, option 4 gives us the correct answer rather.